Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. We have gotten some Madam Glam in. This came in the mail actually today. Well, by the time y'all seeing this, it will be tomorrow or yesterday. So they sent me over some really nice gel polishes. You guys, y'all know these are my favorite type of polishes. I love the opaqueness of them, or opacity, whatever you want to call it. And they are very like in between of thick, and they just go on good, y'all. Like, I don't even know how to describe them, but they go on very good. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. My son is making noise. I'm making noise, trying to clean up while I'm doing this voiceover. I have a client at 10 a.m. in the morning, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this video pushed out for you all. But that first color was called The Truth, and I actually did a little design that y'all will see at the end with that color. This color right here is called Purple Hero, and it was this really pretty like lavender color. I actually have an acrylic that is this same exact color almost. It's by Dynamic Nail Supply. It is by Dynamic Nail Supply, that acrylic powder, and it is called Lavender. So if you need an acrylic powder that is this color, then I would suggest you head over there. So these polishes, as you can see, I was putting them on with one coat only. They go on very nicely. You do not need two coats if you don't want to, but if you do want to, it will just make it even more opaque than it already is, but it is not necessary with these gel polishes. That is why I recommend these polishes for nail art. And if you use gel polishes a lot to paint on the nails for your clients, and they like, you know, full sets with paint, or if you are given manicures, I definitely highly suggest that you use these because they do not need 2-3 coats to go on it. Some Beetles gel polishes, you will need like 2 or 3 coats. So I don't really recommend those for really intricate designs or giving manicures that you want to last a very long time. If you're trying to rush the process, or if you're in a time constraint of when you are taking clients, I would suggest that you use something a little more opaque and of these consistency. So this color right here is called Dreamer, and I was just showing you all how the top of the caps, like the top, those are the colors that actually are in the bottle. The bottle itself has a little wrap on it with the name, and those colors will be a lot darker than what the actual polish is. So it might throw you off a little bit if you're getting polishes and you don't notice the top of it. So just be mindful that the top is going to be the color that is in the actual bottle, not the actual wrap where it has the name on it, because that is a little darker. This color was super pretty. It was in between of like a coral nude. It was really pretty. My light is extremely bright, so some of the colors may appear to be a little lighter than they are actually in person. So just be mindful of that these colors are a little darker when you see them in person than what they are on camera, just because my filming area is very bright. So I just wanted to note that for you all. Now this color is called, what was this one? Glam DC. Y'all are seeing the colors on the screen, so y'all know exactly what I'm putting on the nail. This color was not my favorite, but it was very different, so I'm glad that I got it. I like to have a lot of different polishes and a lot of different acrylic powders, colors that I don't normally see, because I don't know, I just like to have a variety of everything. So those were all the 5 colors that they sent me, you guys, and I thought they went on very nicely. I'm going to actually be using The Truth, and I'm going to be using Walk in the Park, and I'm also going to be using Dreamer on some of the nails. And I just want to do a little bit of nail art for you guys to just test a few things out. So I am taking some Macart foil glue gel, or transfer foil gel, whatever you want to call it, and I'm putting a little bit of that down on each side of this nail. This one is Dreamer, and I'm just putting some of that glue on the sides, and I'm actually going to take some foils and some gold foils, and I'm going to place those on the side of the nail. Now I did leave a clip of this out because I forgot to start filming before I actually put some down. But what I did was I cured the transfer foil glue in the light for about 30 to 60 seconds. And then I went ahead and applied the foils on top of the nail. And I made a mistake right here. I did not break apart that piece of the foil, so it went on very clumpy and it was not giving off the look that I wanted to. So from there on out, I definitely separated all of the foils before placing them on the nail. So I did finish the remainder of placing the foils on each side of the nail, just as I did it on the right side, I did it on the left side. And now we are going into some luxury charms. If you have not been on my website is always in the description box. So if you want to go and get you some luxury charms like what I am putting on the nail right now, then you can go ahead and find you some on my website. But I ended up not using those two that you first saw. I ended up changing it to this one, and I thought it was a little more elegant for the look that I was going for. Of course, I had to pop my nails in here because I was just looking at them in the light. Y'all know I love my nails. They're so cute. Even though they get kind of in the way. Y'all, I got my nails stuck in the oven today. It was crazy. Like, I don't even want to explain it. Like, just know that I am not used to having really, really long nails like this. I usually don't have my nails done at all. So it was like kind of a hassle having them done this long. And I'm like debating on cutting them, or at least cutting my right pointer finger and thumb, just to be able to maneuver and do more stuff, because I do actually do a lot during the day and on my day-to-day tasks. Like, I just have a lot to do, and the nails honestly are kind of in the way. So kudos to those who wear long nails all the time and can function, but I cannot. So right here, I actually just outlined the foils with some more of the polish, but I used a different color. I think this one was Walk in the Park that I used to outline the gold foils, which gave it a little bit more of a drastic look, and I thought it was super cute. I thought it was super cute outlining it. I plan to do this marble kind of like crystal, what is the word for it? Rose quartz. That's the word. I think it's called like a quartz look. Tabitha Scott always does these looks, and I am like dying to try one. Now I know it's not going to come out anything close to hers because she always does them, and she's like really experienced with them, and they just come out so beautiful. And she like really takes her time with doing them, but I am going to try it. I want to do that look. I don't know when I'm going to do that video, but since I've been getting so many polishes, I'm definitely going to be taking these polishes and doing a little something with them. I am actually getting some polishes in finally from Nail Reserve. They actually contacted me yesterday or the day before, and they are sending me some polishes of my choice. So I can't wait to show y'all those. Y'all know I am big on very opaque polishes like Madam Glam. These right here are my top favorites. And I know that everybody says Nail Reserve, which is formerly known as Nail Addict. I know their polishes are very similar to Madam Glam, if I'm not mistaken, from what I've heard. So I definitely want to test those out. But like I said, these are amazing. I love these polishes. And no, I'm not just saying that because I have a percentage off. I do not make anything from Madam Glam. If I do, I have never received anything, so maybe that's my fault, but I always promote them, and I do have a code. It's in the description box. If you want to save 30% off of your purchase, definitely go use my code and my link, and it will help me out to, you know, stay on their PR list and whatnot. So but like I said, I don't get any proceeds from you purchasing from them. I just really like their polishes. And as y'all have already heard me say time and time again, before Madam Glam even reached out to me, I was already using their polishes. Like, I had their Perfect White, I believe, and their Perfect Black, I think it's called. Their Perfect White is my favorite all-time white. And so yeah, I really love their polishes. I'm actually out and I actually need to order another one. So that just goes to show y'all, I don't even use a lot of polishes and I'm almost out of that. So, but yeah, you guys, so right here I am doing just some little petals, some flowers. These are what I call my little flowers. I'm making them in like the shape of teardrops. So that is what I'm doing. And as I'm going, I'm making like a thick dot in the middle and then just dragging it down. And then I kind of bring it out on each side, coming downwards. And I clean it up with a 3D brush. You can use whatever brush you have near you that is precise enough to clean it up. So after I'm done with each one of those petals, I was curing in between, just to let you know, I did cure in between. So now I'm taking, I cannot remember this color. I'm not inside the house anymore to look, but this is another color from Madam Glam that I've already showed you all and swatched it. And I'm just making little dots. And as I'm making the dots, I am not re-wetting my brush with gel polish because I want the dots to get smaller as I go on. So make sure that you are taking a lot of polish on the dotting tool at first. And then that first dot should be bigger. And as you go down, it should get smaller because polish is being used, obviously. So then I took another color and I did put a little dot in the middle of that flower, and that was it for that design, you guys. That was all I did. It was super simple, super easy look to try. If you're looking to do some designs on some nails, you guys, go ahead and try that simple look. I promise you, I cannot draw to save my life. So if I can do it, you can do it. But yeah, make sure that you are subscribed. Please make sure you like this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. I love y'all so much. Mwah. Bye.